YouTube, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today is Saturday, January 9th, I believe. And I got up this morning at 5 and I got to work at 6, and I completed my shift. And then, well, I only had a half day, but anyways, it was like 10:30, and my oldest son, who is 20, if you have watched any of my previous videos, he has gone through some struggles this year with just some addiction issues and some other issues, and he's been amazing and on the right track for about 6 months now. So yeah, I have some previous videos about him. He called me this morning and he said he was not feeling good and he sounded horrible. And I told him that he needed to go to the emergency room because he definitely, like I said, did not sound good at all. And we have one right here by my house. And he went and he tested positive for COVID, unfortunately. So he is doing great. He is home now. And yeah, like he had a fever of 101, which wasn't really what was bothering him the most. He was having a really hard time breathing. So yeah, he's home and he's doing great. And I don't know about your kids, but when my kids are sick, well, him especially, he will sit in the bathtub forever. Like thank goodness we have 2 bathrooms, because he'll sit in there forever in a warm bath, wait for it to get cold, and then fill it back up. So it's kind of what he's doing right now. Obviously everybody knows we're kind of, it's been out there, everything about it. So yeah, he's doing really good. Like I said, we believe he got it from a manager at work who has been coming to work sick. He didn't say anything till today. He said, well, my manager has been coming to work sick. And I'm like, So I've worked with COVID patients. I've managed to make it since this whole thing broke out to not get it. And because somebody wasn't feeling well and continued to come to work, there's a chance I can get it now. So I hope his manager doesn't have it, but now his manager has to go get tested. But it just makes me scared, because if you're not feeling good, I don't care if it's COVID or not. Like, you need to stay home. There's so many other things besides COVID out there, but I don't want anything. I don't want anything that you have. So if you're not feeling good in any way, shape, or form, you should be staying home. So he didn't stay home. My son has COVID, who I'm not blaming anyone. I mean, it happens. And so, yeah, he's home, like I said, feeling great. Kind of tossing things from the door that he needs. No, I'm just kidding. I figured, whatever he needs will be here. And yeah, I will continue to go to work because I work with COVID patients. So no matter if somebody in our home is positive or not, we continue to go to work unless we test positive. And we get tested twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays, and I've came up negative every time. So we'll see. My husband, who is in the military, though, if somebody in our home tests positive, they are out for 10 days regardless. So my paid vacation. So my husband is home for 10 days. Yeah, so that's the story of it. So now, because this happens, even though I'm testing negative, I will only be going to work and coming home. So I only have what I have for hauls. So I might have to mix in a couple of videos here and there, because yeah, even if I test positive, if I test negative, I'm not comfortable going out into the community, because I don't know if I'm eventually going to test negative. I hope not. Positive. I hope not, but I'm not going to be going out. So I have some stuff that I can definitely haul, and then I might do a video with my son, maybe see how he's doing. He, like I said, is having a pretty rough day today, but he's doing great. Getting some sleep. But yeah, so these next 10 days, actually it's 10 days from the time he stops getting signs and symptoms. So today is day 1. So a lot of people have tested positive. Sorry for all the rambling. A lot of people test positive and never have any signs or symptoms. So their 10 days starts from that day. But because my son has signs or symptoms, his 10 days doesn't technically start until he has no more signs or symptoms. So we will all be quarantined besides work until, I don't know. So just say that he doesn't feel good for the next 5 days. In 5 days, if he feels better, we will be quarantining 10 days from there. So 15 days. So I'm going to have to find a lot of stuff to do. A lot of stuff to share with you guys. So yeah. But right now is giving me a chance to show you guys this Hobby Lobby haul that I got before Christmas. And again, today is January 9th. So I'm going to show you that. And then I'm also going to show you a couple of the things I got for Christmas. And the only reason I want to show you those is because they're the cutest things ever. So let me just get into this. Hold on one second. My youngest son is knocking. 1 second. Hey guys, sorry about that. He wanted to know if he could have my chips. So anyways, again, so I do have, my 20-year-old is the one who has COVID, and my 15-year-old, obviously they're brothers. They're together a lot. They love to play Madden on the PlayStation. So, but right now they're staying away from each other, but we'll see. I will maybe take him to get tested this next week, but I don't know truly that he needs to get tested if he's not having the signs or the symptoms, because he's not going anywhere. His little butt's staying here with us. So let's get past that and show you guys some stuff that I got at Hobby Lobby several weeks ago. So let me just get it all out of the bag at once. And my receipt is in here because there's no way I'll remember what I paid for all this stuff from that long ago. So let's get started, right? I have, this says Christmas, no. Okay, well, let's just start with Christmas then. This says, I think this is okay, so this was $1.49. These are little red plastic Santa cups I was going to take on my trip, and I knew that, I was like, I know that I had cups to go with this breakfast layout I had. Well, they're here. So they were $1.49. And they will be perfectly great next year also, because that's when I'm going to be able to use them. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plastic cups with Santa on them for $1.49. Next thing says Christmas. So I'm guessing it's this. Does it say $2.99? This is $1.99. So this was $1.99. So it was 99 cents. And these are cupcake picks. Get the glare off of there. Okay. But they are the red truck. So I paid 99 cents for these, and there is 24 in there. I don't plan on using them on the cupcake picks. I plan on taking them off. And so you can take them off and have it double-sided, or you can take them off and take them apart, and it'll give me 48 of the little red trucks. So I got that. This one says Christmas, so I think that this was also $1.49. And these are by Christmas party gift sacks, and there's 12 bags in here. I believe they're paper bags, and they are 5 by 7 by 3 inches. And again, there's 12, and they are paper bags. I'm trying to get off of there. So how cute are these? So these are 12 paper sacks from Christmas, and they were $1.49. So yeah, very cute. So I'll be using those in all the crafting I'm doing. These are gift tags. So these are also, they say $2.99, but then I guess I paid $2.98 for them, which is weird. It should have been 50% off. Wait, is that something else? No, I think it's that. I don't know. Anyways, I think these were $1.49. I don't know. Oh no, because they put these two together. I'm so sorry, guys. $2.98. So they put these two together. These are Christmas party gift tags, 12 count, 1.74 inches by 3.49 inches. But look at how pretty those are. The Christmas tree on them. And on the back, you can see they just have the little gold thing, but I probably won't use that to hang them on there. So they were $1.49 each. And then this is Christmas party place cards, 20 counts. Look at how beautiful, and they were also the $2.99, but they're so pretty. So there's that, but then you can also use the backside for something, because the backside is just like, it's almost like it's a faux wood. I'm gonna try to get it close enough and to focus and to get the glare off. So if you can see that, they're like a faux wood. So I got those. Again, these were $1.99. Yay. Okay. This right here, I just thought it was cute. How much were you? I think it was, oh, I used my 40% off coupon. So these were $4.99, but I got them for $2.99 because I used my 40% off coupon. I just really liked it. It's 3x4 pocket crafting cards, and they're paper crafts, and they're by Legacy, and there's 36 of them in there. These are all the different designs. But let me just show you. Like, here is a boarding pass, you guys. Oh my gosh. So cute. Then here's just like a little letter here that says dates. This one was one that got me. Let's see. I loved just the different thing of this. And then here's this. So yeah, they just have the different things, coat check. The thing I don't like though, is you have to decide which one you want, because like this one is the 409 for the coat check, but then there's this on the other side. So you have to decide which one you want because it's not on both sides. So that's the one sad part. So I used my 40% off coupon for that. So this one right here, they had 50% off of their paper crafts. So I paid $124. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to see. $124 for this. And then what did I pay for you? Oh, okay. So these were all $120. These were all $124. My gosh, I don't even know. So this right here is by Stick Abilities, and it's by the Paper Studio. And so it has all these different stickers. So I do have one of my recipe books that I made out of a Dollar Tree photo album. So that one might be one of my videos. So I'm going to put these stickers on some of the little recipe cards that I have, just to kind of zhuzh it up a little. So I do have that one. And that was 25 pieces. This is 18 pieces. So I thought these would be cute on like another one that I could make this kind of the theme for that one. So these are beautiful. More stickers. Again, they are by the Paper Studio, and they were this one was $124. I'm like, this one was $124 because it's originally $249. And then these ones were the $198 each. So this is 15 pieces, and this is baking recipes. And on the side right here, it says, I love to bake. And then it has all those. So I figured I can use this and as one of the themes in one book. I'll use this as a theme in another recipe book. And then I'll use this as a theme in another recipe book. So that is my Hobby Lobby haul. And I'll probably repeat this in the video where I do the walkthrough, how I made my recipe book. But this is what I did. I made two, but I gave one to my mom. So I made a recipe book out of a Dollar Tree photo album. And then I gave it to my mom for Christmas. And she said, oh, well, that's nice. Like, it's just an empty recipe book. And I said, yes. And my birthday is in March. So if you could please put my favorite recipes that I love of yours that are in there and then give it back to me for my birthday. So, because, you know, like my mom, she is this amazing cooker and baker and everything. And I mean, she's not old, but she's not young. And I want to be able to make some of these things that she makes one day, even when she can't, or I want to be able to make them for her. And sometimes when people are gone, we're like, man, I wish that I had gotten that recipe or something. So I made the cookbook. I'm sorry, not the cookbook, the recipe book, and gave it to her. And she's kind of old school, so she doesn't write down her recipes, but she uses like, I mean, her cookbooks are like old, and they have like flour all over them and everything all over them. You can tell they're used. And so I told her I would like her, and then, you know, she kind of does different things from. So I said, I'll just take that back. Thank you very much. When you are done writing down my recipes, and I kind of wrote at the top each one, like her banana cream pie. The next one had her banana bread, her fried chicken. So each one has the name of the recipe that I would like. That is a cute little idea that you could do for people. Or you could even make, if you know people in your family that love things that you make, you could make them a recipe book, and then you could start them off with just a couple of the recipes, and then they still have extra spots to put those. So I'll show you guys my recipe book that I made, and it might have costed $3. It's very cute. But before this video gets too long, I just want to show you the couple of things that I got for Christmas. I got a good amount, but these are the things that I'm like in love with. So my sister got me this glassware set for the 16-ounce mugs. Who doesn't love Elf? We watch Elf every single year. Elf is my life. And I know I got a shirt for Christmas. I'm going to have to find it. But because I have put most of my Christmas stuff away. But this is 16-ounce glass mugs. Love it. I love e.l.f. I love e.l.f. And then, so I am in love with the Golden Girls, you guys. I have Hulu on my phone only because I watch the Golden Girls. I love them. My bridal shower was Golden Girls. I just repeat their episodes over and over and over. I made myself last Christmas a Golden Girls Christmas shirt. I love them. Who did not? The Golden Girls cookbook? Give me a break. Who knew that this existed? Okay, so this is more than 90 delectable recipes from Blanche, Rose, Dorothy, and Sophia. So I was ecstatic when my sister got me this. My kids looked and they said, no, you didn't get my mom that. Oh yeah, guys, we are eating what the Golden Girls ate. So if you've ever watched them, here's Mr. Ha-Ha's New York style birthday mini cheesecake cupcakes. So if you've ever watched, Mr. Ha-Ha is from one of the birthdays where Rose takes Dorothy for her birthday and it doesn't go well. So then here is some deviled eggs that they have in the show. I was trying to find like some of their signature recipes. And then this one right here. What's the ham short for ham? My guess is ham and potatoes. It's just like little lyrics from their thing. Yeah. I'm trying to find real quick, just like there's some Swedish meatballs, but there was some Lindstrom surprise. And it just has, just different things about them. So there's Rose, and it gives a little blurb on Rose. I just love it. I mean, I could probably do a whole walkthrough with this. Nobody probably wants that, but let me just tell you. Blanche's Drink It Off shake. So if you've ever watched the episode where she's trying to lose weight and Rose drinks her shake, whew, she was not happy. So anyways, I did get this beautiful cookbook. I am ecstatic. I also did get the Golden Girls 2021 Day at a Time calendar trivia questions inside. Oh yes, guys. And I do have a trivia game for them, but nobody in my family plays it with me. So yeah, but this, I love this. So this is the calendar. And on top of that, guys, there's more. I got a Golden Girls magnet sets. And this is the back with all the stuff that you get on it. Is that not cute? So yes. And so yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. So that is the couple of things that I really wanted to show you that I got for Christmas, and the little update on my son and my Hobby Lobby haul from about 3 weeks ago. So again, you will be seeing, I think, quite a few hauls to make it through, but not enough hauls to make it through 3 weeks. So I'll find stuff, like I said, if my son's feeling better, maybe I'll see, I don't know, maybe if he'll do a video with me or something. So with that being said, guys, I hope everyone is having a great Saturday, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.